Ford certified 4WD, dual panel moonroof, voice-activated navigation system, rear-view camera with backup sensors, sync voice activation system, comfort package, third-row seating, leather heated seats, reverse sensing system, dual-zone climate control, MyFord Touch, one owner, clean Carfax. Join us at Chapman Ford Columbia. Get ready to enjoy. Here at Chapman Ford Columbia, we try to make the purchase process as easy and hassle-free as possible. We encourage you to experience this for yourself when you come to look at this wonderful-looking 2013 Ford Explorer. With plenty of passenger room, you won't have to worry about being cramped when it's more than just you and the SUV. Ford Certified Pre-Owned means you not only get the reassurance of a 12-12,000-mile comprehensive warranty, but also up to a 7-year-100,000-mile powertrain limited warranty, a 172-point inspection reconditioning, 24/7 roadside assistance, trip interruption services, rental car benefits, and a complete Carfax vehicle history report. If the Chapman emblem isn't on the back of your vehicle, you probably paid too much.